Alright guys, it's Buddy Beerburgler80 with a 100 sub giveaway. Here's what it'll be. 2 canisters and possibly the box if you guys want it. If you already have a canister, I'll throw you guys a refill pack. So there you go. Here's how it'll go. As soon as I hit 100 subs, I'll go live. First 10 minutes, whoever's there, we'll choose from them. So you're only talking about 4 or 5 people, so chances are you'll probably win. So that's all you gotta do. Show up on the first live broadcast you see, and one of those will be yours. I just found out this would probably be easier to ship than trying to send genetics. I don't know if I want to get tied up in that mess, so especially over state lines and whatnot. But this is no problem, so that's my giveaway. I hope you guys like it. Give a comment, sub, like. Just take it easy. Have a good night.